Hey guys, what's up? Advertise Stop here, and today I got the iPhone 6s Plus for my mom, and I got it from Groupon. We got it for $310. I got it for $310, and I'm gonna be doing an unboxing of it. So yeah, guys, enjoy. Probably an easier way to open this, but one thing I'm really interested in is everything. So here it is. Oh, look at that! Is that big enough for you? Alright, and then we basically just have the head part of the charger, and we have the charger itself. And this is the phone, so get the back off. It's in gold. It is 256 gigabytes. So I'm guessing it's probably gonna be dead, but just look how big it is. It's like huge. I hate they put the sticker on there. It makes it sticky, but it's not that big a deal. And you see it's the iPhone S, so it's probably dead. My 5S was dead. Yeah, so it's dead. So yeah, so it's dead. So oh, guys, so we actually just opened the phone like you guys saw, and it is dead. I just plugged in my charger. But guys, look at this. You guys see that? It's literally like the screen itself. Like, wow. And let me show you guys in the light. So this is the light, guys. And this is how it came. Look at this. The screen is totally bented. It does work. It's working fine, but we are not going to keep this. Look at that. It's literally off the screen. Like, that's the screen. And then it just bends all the way up like that. That's pathetic, guys. So we do have to get this phone back, unfortunately. That is really sad. And this is from Groupon. I like Groupon, but after this, guys, I don't really know. I mean, this phone costs $310. We're not going to keep it like this, obviously. I don't know how can you even sell a phone like this? Like, what the heck? But it does seem to be working fine. Like I said, we have to give it back. That's pretty bad, guys. That's really bad. And you can see the difference on this side. It's completely straight. It's fine. And then this one, it's a big loop. It's pretty bad, but it does work fine. But we're not gonna keep it. So that's basically the unboxing video. Just like I said, guys, honestly, a good technique is always to record when you open up something brand new. So at least if they're like, oh, maybe you did this to the phone or this to the product you brought, you'd be like, no, I recorded it, and you see that this is what happened to it. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace. Sad. Sorry, guys.